JavaOne 2008 in San Francisco, California at the Altova booth number 211. Last week, Altova announced version 2008 release 2 of its software product line. And I'm here with David McGahee, product marketing manager for Altova, who's going to tell us a little bit more about what's in version 2008 release 2. Take it away, David.
Thanks, Tara. Version 2008 R2 is a major launch with exciting new features across the entire Altova product line. Let's take a look at some of the new features of MapForce v2008 Release 2. MapForce is Altova's data integration and web services implementation tool that allows you to graphically integrate and exchange between XML databases, flat files, EDI, and web services data, and build new web services by mapping data to WSDL operations. It also converts between those formats on the fly for instant output and generates code in either XSLT 1.0, 2.0, XQuery, Java, C++, and C#, and that code is all royalty-free for reuse in your applications. One new feature in MapForce v2008 R2 is output mapping to Microsoft Office Excel files, and that's Office 2007 OOXML format. I'll just finish this mapping and show you how easy it is to map between inputs and outputs. It's simply a drag and drop operation, and now I can preview the output. My input, by the way, before we do that, is an XML sales report. I had to do some operations on the data in the sales report to present it the way I want it in the Excel spreadsheet. And when I click output, the translation is performed, Excel is loaded, and the document is open. And it's really that simple. Another new feature in MapForce v2008 Release 2 is support for Altova Global Resources. Up here is the Global Resources tool icon, and we saw one use of Global Resources in the XML SPY display, demonstration, but let's take a look at another use for Global Resources. Global Resources allows you to create different configurations. So for instance, when you're developing your mapping project, you may want to work with a small instance files to test your mapping before running against your in your actual production environment. And Global Resources allows you to create an alias system to very easily switch between your test environment and then your production environment without having to make any modifications whatsoever to the mapping. And you can manage these global resources very easily. Global resources can actually be files, folders, or databases. And let's just take a look at one. Here is the resource dialog where we've assigned the resource name, and we have created different database connections for our different global resource configurations. And this corresponds to the pull-down menu we saw before. So when I switch between my resource configurations up here, I'm actually switching the target for that alias that we had previously defined. We are here at the delightful AMD pavilion where they're serving oxygen.
It's free oxygen.
Free oxygen, how about that at AMD?